Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about who is your wife or husband, and what is their traits, what is their habits, and about their cuts, their personality. There are two piles over here. This is the pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. The first pile is the crystal swan, I think so, and the other one is the crystal polar bear. Which pile you are attracted most? Please choose that pile. I am going towards my reading number 1. Those who choose pile number 1, the crystal swan reading, your reading is someone is coming towards you, or this is your husband or wife going to be, and he is very passionate person, lovable person. He is very lovable person. He love you. He is coming towards you with a lots of love, with a lots of passion. You can see how fast he is moving, his body language. He is totally in love with you, I think so. Or whoever he is going to marry, this person is going to love them by heart, by will, by all their life, everything, with everything they are going to love them. Okay, and this person is very lovable, yes, and I think little bit he is a childlike person, not so mature, yes, and also I think that they are little bit they get angry easily, not so much angry, but I think that little bit they get angry easily, yes. And what is this? Yes, there is these 3 moon signs. Something is hidden, mysterious, and they are emotional. They are very much emotional over here. Okay, maybe this is a femininity sign, and they had some type of femininity, female like or femininity habits. They are very emotional. They love somebody very much, like a woman, not like man. And if they are going to promise someone, if they promise someone, they will going to fulfill it. They never left their promise, they never break their promise. Okay, I think that this is what I get from here. And yes, he is moving very fast. He wants you, they want you with her. They want you as soon as they can get you. And there is the sun is coming from behind these trees. Something is good is going to happen towards you. Now the second card for you too is that this person is very hard worker. He is a very hard worker. He is a planner. He planned this wedding. They plan this wedding. They do. They they have given very much time, thinking, power. Something. Maybe they are making their home for you. Yes, and they are collecting money. They are protecting their own. They are the man who protect their family. Yes, collector. They don't. They are not the person who spend their money or destroy it by spending it. Okay, they are the very much hard worker, and they are the collector. They collect things. They collect money, and also maybe they collect your memories in them, the love, the everything you are doing to them. You're telling them, you're saying to them the time they are spending with you. That's what I get from here. They collect these all things in their memory, in their mind. Yes. And for some of you, they are blonde hair, they have blonde hair, or maybe they dyed their hair blonde color, in blonde color, and this person did not bother that there is raining or cold or this hot time. They are or it's good time or bad, they are, I think, mostly think of you. Yes, that's what I am getting from here. And there you see that this water is collecting over here, the rain drops, and this collecting over here. They are very much collector. And water is also the emotion, and these are their emotions. They have very much uh, thinking emotions towards you. Some kind of devil, maybe they are born to you. They are addicting towards you. Okay, or maybe someone is blocking you to get to meet each other, to get towards each other. Okay, something is toxic over it. Or maybe if someone is if someone will tell them or say them bad words towards about you, they are like that devil. Or maybe they are the Capricorn. This card is of Capricorn's card. Or maybe Leo. And I think they somehow restrict you if when you are with them, when you are with their in their relation. And maybe they addicted you towards them. They give you a lot of love that you are addicted to them. I think so. What is the matter? Why this card is here? Yes, this is about the love. They are attracted to you are attracted to them. Your heart is over your mind, your head. Yes, or their head is over their mind or head. Yes, they are so much in you. They want to hold you. They want to spend a time with you. They want to tell their all things with you, to share their feelings with you. Chariot, they are very soon they are coming towards you. Their all thoughts, they are yes, they think that you are their child's mother, you are their homemaker, you are their life maker, life partner. Yes, that's what they are thinking. They are very much addicted to you. They love you very much. The Sun card, happiness, success, abundance, joy, full time. Yes, they think. Yes, they are a very successful person. Maybe they are Leo, or maybe they are very successful person. They are very hard worker. That's why they are definitely they are a successful person. The hard workers are mostly are the successful person. They made their home. They had a home. They had money. They had everything in their life. They are very successful person. Yes. And yes, and you have a very successful married life with them. They are very successful person. They will give you a happy home life. Yes, the wishes overcome, wishes to become reality, dreams to become reality. They are their wish maker, or your wish maker. Yes, they are like a genie to you. They are your wish maker. They have all in their life, and you can enjoy that things. They share that things with you, or you can enjoy that things also. Yes, they are good men. They are very wise, very good, very lovable, very care, uh, careful, caretaker. Then you have the Page of the Cups. Someone is coming towards you with lots of passion, with lots of love. You are going to have enjoy with them. Something is changing over here, and I think the two of you are going to meet each other. The two are going to be a one. Yes, there's that moon sign. Much more emotions towards you. They have much more emotions towards you. They love you. They are a lovable person. They are enjoyable person. They enjoy their life. Whatever had happened to them, they usually don't get upset. They just enjoying all the things. This moon, this light, and this clouds. If there's dark over here, they enjoy that also. They make friends, and they will. They are person who. This is a person who is a friend in need. Yes, they never left their friends. They never left anyone, and I think they are also not going to leave you. They are also not. They are also loyal to you. Faith. Yes. And for some of you, they have what? Yes, they have brown hair. So for some of you, they are clean shaved, and for some of you, they are with beard and mustache. And the girl, and some of you, for some of you, they have hair, black hair. And for girls, and if you are a man and you want to listen about your other behalf, then they had a long hair, maybe black or brown, but they had the long black hair. And they like to wear the bangles. Okay, if you want to give them some gift in jewelry, you have to give them the bangles. They like them, or maybe necklace. Or if you are you belong to Hinduism, then they are going to give you that Mangal Sutra. Okay, they want to give you that thing. True love. This is the true love. They love you truly. They are the true. They are true person. They never lie, and they are also never going to lie with you. They want to wear fancy clothes. That's what I am getting from here. Or you are wearing the fancy clothes, and you like that things, and they like your company. They like the company of their loved ones. Yes. Maybe they are very popular, and they are very rich also. And I think if you are from India and Pakistan and whatever, you are going to have this jhumar. I think this is like a jhumar. Yes, I think you are going to have a jhumar from your mother-in-law, and the traditional jewelry. Yes, and they had very big home. I think so. For some of you, they had very big home, like a mansion. Yes. And for some of you, they are from Egypt, or maybe they are Egypt or Russia, or maybe they are Egyptians or Russians. Yes. But this is only for some of you, one or two, or maybe some. Yes. And what is this? I think that person is Leo also, or you are Leo. Someone is Leo over here. Yes. Now, with this desire, I think they are very dreamy person. They are seeing dreams, hoping, and making plans. Yes, they are like that person. You can see that this girl is thinking about someone, and they are planning about you. They are thinking about you. They are deciding about you. You are their desire. or maybe you are desiring about them, you're thinking about them. Yes, this heart is closed in this ring. They will close themselves in your relationship, and don't want to ever anyone to see over them through this relationship, through this bond. They are bonding themselves towards you. Yes, beautiful reading. Yes, and the swan, Rajhans, swan. I think they are very charming, very beautiful. For some of you, they are well heighted. Okay, most of you are they are well heighted, and only for one or two of them they are uh, short heighted. Okay, and for only one or two, maybe they are married before, and they had a child with that person. For only one or two of you, they had a child with that person. Okay, and this is the romance of lifetime. I am going to Swan, beautiful. Find new ways of thinking, going with flow. Accept your ability. See what lies ahead. They are thinking, and they are good thinkers, and find the ways to their towards their aim, towards their goal. See what lies ahead. Inner grace, inner beauty. Shine for your love, true lover, family, man or woman. Comfortable, attractive, uh, culture, art, depth of soul, goddess of love and romance. True love is nearby. Magical love, magical love, dignity, someone jealous of you, insecurity, spirituality. Yes, they are loving you as much that someone is going to jealous of you. That devil card is over here. I think that someone is definitely jealous. That card is also for ego, for jealousy, some kind of jealousy, and they love you as much as if someone is going to jealous of you. That look at how much he loves her. Nobody loves anyone like that. Or if your partner is she, then also look think people think that look how much she is she loved him. Yes, and they are going to jealous of this relationship. Be aware of that persons. They are going to do some harm towards you. They are going to do some bad things towards your love life, towards your moving towards them, and towards your happiness, towards your fulfillment. Okay, and with this dried flower fairy, sweet memories. Yes, I had already told you that they are making the sweet memories with you. They are just beginning this. Already they begin this. Yes, and you can see that they are very much into you. They are thinking about you. Their eyes, you can see that. Can you see that eyes? They are in someone's thought. They are thinking about someone, and maybe they are round nosed, big eyes, and beautiful lips, like heart like lips. Okay, maybe that person likes beauty, um, and they like to change. And this card is 1111, and twin flame number. This is a twin flame number. Yes, this is a good thing. Yes, and I think they usually wear the socks. Maybe they are where they are working now. The job, they are used to wear that socks. They have to wear that, or they like to wear that socks. Okay, they're beautiful person. They are very much beautiful and loving person. Yes, this is the reading for today's for my pile number 1. I hope you like it. It resonates you. Please like, share, and subscribe. And tell me if this reading, if my any reading resonates to you. Please subscribe this channel that you find my all readings that I had done and I am going to do in the future. You can get that all things in by subscribing this video, this channel. And please like, share, subscribe, and with lots of love, lots of good wishes. Bye. Yes, those who choose the pile number 2, the polar bear crystal polar bear reading, your reading is, your person is, they are a collector, they are a money maker. This pentacles reading is also, the pentacles card are also for money maker. All the earth signs are money maker. Virgo, Capricorn, and Taurus, they are money maker. And I think this person is money maker. He is bonding himself in something. Yes, he is doing something here over here. He is very protective over something, maybe for, towards their money, towards you, or towards anything. They are very protective over here. They are not going to let someone have this money or these things. And you can see the face expression of that man. He is holding that thing, he is protecting it, like this is a spider like position. Yes, what is this about? Yes, they are thinking about someone in their past, from their past. Maybe that's you, maybe that is their parents or someone. The beautiful memories, they are holding it, they are protecting it. Okay, what's next? Yes, happy time, enjoyable time. Why is this 4 of Pentacles over here? What's the matter? Why is this 4 of Pentacles over here in this situation? Show me the current. Show me the current. At the bottom of the deck, once again, the 10 of the Cups, happy home life, enjoying the home life, the happiness of home life. Yes, you can see that the rainbow color, how beautiful this is, and they are enjoying this. They are protecting their lover. They love someone and they are protecting them. Maybe someone had cut them from their life, or they had made them. Yes, they loved someone, and someone had cut their someone from their family, maybe, or maybe from their who they love, cut them from their life. Okay, and that's why. Lover. Oh, okay, maybe this situation is that they are going to have their lover when they are very wise, they are very keen, very clever, and they are as cruel as if they had to cut someone's head, they can cut them. Then they are going to have that person. Lots of change, after lots of change, something is changes over here. This is some kind of god. I think this is the change, something is changing over here. And after lots of stress, bad time, they are going to have them. They are going to have that person and that love. Okay. And maybe they are very good at the partnership. If you are going to love them, if you are in their partnership, life partner, they are nothing can break your bond. Yes, and you have to be patient about this situation, or maybe they are very patient, very still, very uh, what can I say, they are like a healer. They are very good person. They love everybody. They whenever someone is with them, they heal them. They make little jokes towards them. They talk towards them. They can listen um, to their cries, and hold them, and make them happy. Okay, I think that person is a very much a healer, or maybe he is a doctor, or maybe he or she, whoever they are, they are a doctor, or mentor, or we say that hakim in our language. Yes, yes, someone like that. And or maybe he is some kind of priest, or molvi, or pandit, something like that. Yes. And also I think that they are fast, and the angels are with them. Angels, they are their energy is protected by angels. Their all they had do their good things are given by the angels. They give that things to them. They force them, or they make them to do that. Okay, and they are like a sun, coming from the dawn, and getting this is the morning sun. Okay, they are like a morning sun. They are a healer. They are healing flower. They're like a healing flower. They has much more thing in their mind. They are hiding their temper. They are hiding their bad thinking towards anybody. Okay, they are a pure soul. They are very good person, I think. Or maybe for some of you, you have to be patient to get them to go towards them. This situation takes time, and something is hiding over here, something is happening over here. When this all happened, this all going to be uh, done, and then you are going to have that person. You have to be wait for them. Okay. Yes. And with this three of swords, maybe their heart is broken. I think someone had broke their heart. Someone had left them, or someone make them to leave that person. That's why over here their heart is broken. Which is not. I think this is a which is not. Okay. Can you see that which is not over that? Yes, you are seeing that. You are watching it. Okay, this is the which is not, and this is the symbol of. It's a protection symbol from blend folk magic. Okay, it represents the not magic used in Middle Ages against witchcraft, or doorways and handmade tables. Powerful protection amulet, as it symbolizes the blinding powers of witches and magic. Yes, maybe someone had done some black magic over them to get them apart. Maybe from you or from someone else. They are weeping. That you can see. Can you see that there is a wolf, crying wolf over there, and his face is towards the sky, towards universe. They are weeping for you. They're praying for to have you. Someone had done something to make you both apart. For some of you, someone had done to make you both apart, or someone had done something bad to break their marriage life before. Yes, you're going to marry a person who is married before. Okay, and their heart is on fire. They are heartbroken. They are very sad at that time. Someone had broke their heart. Why this card is over here? Please tell me. Yes, someone had something had happened at that time. This is from universe. This change is from universe. Yes, this heartbroken situation leads someone of Queen of Cups, maybe Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or maybe Cancer, or someone they love. Okay, this had happened to someone they love. Maybe someone died at that situation, or maybe someone left them. Someone make them to left you. Anything, or maybe. Yes, I think that someone had made them to leave their love, if that person is you or someone else. Okay, now this is the strength card. What is this? Okay, this is a strength card, and they need this strength, and they are that much brave, uh, mature person, big hearted. Yes, big minded. Okay, yes, they are healer. I told you that they are healer. They if someone are quarreling, and they go and make their quarrel finish that quarrel. They make the two enemies a best friend. They can make it. They can do it. You can see that there is a frog and there is a snake. Snake used to eat that frog, but they are going towards that light, and they are friend, like they are not eating each other or not fighting. And that's what we say, that in Moscow we all are um, like each other. Yes, I think that they are that person, that energy they have. And now you have the attraction. They are very attractable person. Most of people are attracted to them because they are very much good. They have very good energy. They are a healer. They are lovable person. They love others. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. You have to enjoy this moment. You know that they are the good person. They are going to you are going to have them, and you have to wait for them for a little time, because someone is going to make them leave you, and they are making them that they want to marry you. Yes, and you have to be patient for a little time. Okay, and for some of you, your if your life partner is some kind of woman, their hair is long, so long. They are very beautiful, maybe white skin and pink cheeks, and beautiful body. Okay, beautiful body. And for lots of you, they had long hair, and so for some of them, they had black hairs. For some of you, they had red hair. Yes, red or blonde hair. And for some of you who had the lady, in this case, their hair is small. And for men, they had also small hairs over here. You can see that there's a man, he is small hair. And there's also a man with this trust card. They had also small hair. I think that, yes. And this situation is calling for you to have faith. Yes, believe on them, have faith on them. They are coming towards you. They are making a power. They are making themselves like that strength card to have you. They are making something. They are doing something over here. Okay. Now you have keep an open mind. Yes, once again, you have to trust them. You have to be patient at that moment. You have to wait for them. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Yes, and this person also has a short hair. Also, that fairy has a small hair. Okay, some ladies have long hair, and some had the small hair. Okay, and I think that those whose hair are black, they had the they cut their hair, and those whose hair are red or brown, their hairs are long. Okay. Okay. Now keep an open mind. Yes. Yes, you have to be open minded. Now you had know that they are some kind of trouble. They are in some kind of trouble. You have to be wait for them, trust them. They are coming towards you. They are making the way towards you. They are making the home towards you. That's why they are so protective over here, that they are protecting their feelings towards you. They are protected you from others. They know that someone had done something bad uh, towards the both of you, and they are clearing that thing, that way to come towards you. Okay. Towards I think you are from their past, and they are coming towards you, and they are coming towards their happiness, their marriage. Okay. Their happy lifetime. Okay. That's what I am getting from here. And by this cheetah card, they are very clever, they are very wise. They know what they had to do, and when they had to do, when they had to move forward. They are waiting for that time. You can see that this cheetah is looking towards something, and he is waiting for the right time to move over that uh, prey. Star, they are like a star. They are everyone likes them. For some of you, they are someone who is like an actor. They are actor. They are um, actors, and connected to media, or maybe they are like a healer, and all of their friends, they like them, they love them. They are like a star. Yes, they are definitely like a star. I think this person is very, very highly vibrated, highly high powers. They are connected to universe. They are connected to Allah. Very good energy. Then you have the lantern fairy, a clear solution. Something is hiding over here, and with this 2 number, their emotions, their love, their thinkings towards you, and this lantern fairy will lead you in this light towards you. Okay. Yes. And with this sword, they are building something with you. They are doing something with you. They are doing something powerful base. They are making that powerful base towards you. And 2 plus 6 is equal to 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. And 6 is the number of love, passion, emotions, uh, thinking about someone, caring about someone, and sacrificing for someone. Okay. This is the card. This angel, this fairy is showing them the way towards you. She is letting them towards you. Maybe some of you had them, your life partner. They had the big green eyes for some of them. Okay. And round face, I think so. I think that someone is with them, and they are whispering in their ears that they are not good for you. They are, because they want them. I think that if you had some friend or sister or cousin or anyone, I think that girl or that man want them also. That's why they are telling you, whispering in your ears about them, bad things, bad talk. Yes, but there is the Cupid. They are doing their work, and they are make your both of your minds towards each other. You can see that this girl is also seeing towards that man, and she is smiling to see that person. Yes, that's for all for you for today, for my pile number 2, and I hope you like it, and please like, share, subscribe, and with lots of good wishes, with lots of love. Bye.